Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to add emojis to your Discord server. So this is very easy to do. Just follow the video until the end. You guys actually know how to do this. So what you're going to want to do is be on your Discord server and click on the name of your Discord server. Now from here, make your way to your server settings and then go ahead and make your way down the list right here to emoji. Now, once you're here, you're going to want to go ahead and upload an emoji. Now, make sure you guys follow the requirements. The file types have to be JPEG, PNG, or GIF, and the recommended file size would be 256 kilobits, so they'll actually compress it for you if you actually have a larger size. But make sure to just follow all these requirements, guys. And basically, I'm gonna go ahead and upload an emoji right now. We're gonna go ahead and upload this Premiere. Now that's pretty much how I go ahead and do it, and that's pretty much how you go ahead and add emojis, guys. So it's very simple and easy to actually go ahead and do, and that's pretty much how you do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.